Good evening, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. Today, I wanted to highlight an issue with the July 2025 Google Play system update, which seems like it may end up being renamed to the Google System Services Update any day now. I was able to install the update that shows I have the July 2025 version installed, but when checking for a new update, there seems to be a 13 megabyte patch still waiting to be downloaded. However, it's failing to install, and I'm not alone. And I imagine you're watching this video because you're seeing the exact same thing. If you're not familiar with what the Google Play system update is, then that's actually very understandable. Google does not do a good job of telling people about it, and Android does not really surface this information anywhere throughout the month, so you aren't prompted to check for these updates. However, you can check to see which update that you are on by first launching the Settings application and then doing a search for the words System Update. You'll see mention of your monthly Google Play system updates here, and then you can dive into the Google Play system update menu. Here, you'll see mention of your monthly security update, but you should also see something called the Google Play system update. If you're still not seeing anything, it may be a good idea to search for something like System Services, since I have seen this new wording in the latest changelog support page. Either way, your goal is to look for the area where you can check for these new Google Play system updates. You can see I'm on the July 2025 patch right now, which again is going to be different from the monthly security patch level. And you should come to this page each and every month to check and see if there's anything new to install. You'll be asked to reboot the phone after it has been downloaded so that Android can apply those changes. And sometimes it's a good idea to check again just to make sure that you don't have any additional updates to download. For many of us, we are noticing that a 13 megabyte Google Play system update is failing. No matter how many times you download and try to install it, you're going to get that the updates are temporarily unavailable and that we should try again later. I was first alerted to this issue via a comment here on the channel via another video, so a much appreciated tip of the hat to you, Nope1. Comments like these help me to know what common issues people within the Android community are having, and I appreciate each and every one of them that gets submitted to the channel. Sadly though, when researching this specific issue, I was unable to find out why this update is failing. It's clearly happening across a plethora of devices though. My Galaxy S23 here is getting the failed message, and my Red Magic 10 Pro that I'm currently using as a daily driver also has this issue as well. I've tried rebooting the phone to see if that helps. I've tried rebooting into safe mode just to make sure that it isn't a third-party app that's causing the problem. I also cleared the cache data from the Google Play Store application, and I even uninstalled all of the updates to the Google Play app and then reinstalled them as a test. None of this was able to help fix the bug. I have sent in a request to Google about the issue, and I'll report back here if I hear something, but I'm not going to be holding my breath. So for now, I recommend everyone send feedback to Google via the Play Store application in hopes that this problem can get resolved. You can do this by first launching the Google Play Store app and then tapping on the profile picture in the top right corner here. Then Scroll down all the way here, and you're going to see a help and feedback option. Let's tap that, and then we're going to scroll down again, and you should find a send feedback button here. Tap it, and then explain what's going on. If you're getting this error, I recommend that you fill out your experience in this form. Be sure to include the name of your phone, which version of Android you have installed, and be sure to mention that you cannot install the 13 megabyte July 2025 Google Play system update to your device, and that it just keeps failing when you try over and over again. You can even mention the troubleshooting steps that you have done, like I told you here today, just so that they know you have actually tried to fix the problem. With enough people sending in feedback to Google, they are bound to be made aware of the issue. Even though I do suspect that this may have already happened, the more people who submit feedback, the better chance we have at getting this problem fixed in a timely manner. If you're also seeing this failed message when you try to install the update, please hit that like button below this video to help spread the word. Don't forget to send in that feedback as well, because it will be easy for them to ignore this problem if only a few of us send it in. And as always, please subscribe to the channel too, as it really helps to keep me motivated here.